All right, let's talk about cracking the code on one of the wildest, fastest growing digital markets out there, India. Look, if you're trying to build a brand, get a following, or grow a business there, you already know the opportunity is just huge. But man, so is the noise. So let's jump right in.
So, just to give you a sense of scale, check out this number. That's the projected digital ad spend in India for 2025. Yeah, it's a staggering amount of cash pouring into the digital world. And for anyone trying to make an impact, it's like a massive ocean of opportunity.
But here's the thing, right? That huge number, it also creates a huge challenge. I mean, when literally everyone is shouting online, how do you make your voice heard? How do you take even a tiny piece of that spend and turn it into real, actual growth for your brand? That's the big question we're going to tackle.
Okay, so to figure that out, we've got to understand the problem first. And the problem is this. The old way of doing digital marketing, it's drowning. It's getting lost in what I like to call the digital deluge. There are just too many options. And when you try to do everything, you end up doing, well, pretty much nothing. And this right here, this is the digital maze that so many businesses get completely lost in. You know the drill. You're told you need SEO, and you need PPC, and social media, and content, and email. And all of these things are treated like these separate little boxes. But this fragmented approach, it's not just inefficient. It's basically a recipe for total confusion and just wasted money. You end up juggling a bunch of services instead of actually building a strategy.
So where is everyone's attention really going? Well, the data couldn't be clearer. Look at this. A whopping 75%, 3/4 of online time in India is spent on just two things: video and social media. I mean, just let that sink in for a second. If your strategy isn't absolutely laser-focused on those two channels, you're pretty much not even showing up where your audience lives. Okay, so if the old way is broken, if it's drowning, what's the alternative? Well, it's about a whole new way of thinking. It's a shift from just being another voice screaming into the void to becoming a strategic growth partner. And that is the accelerator mindset.
And here's the core difference, boiled down. A traditional agency, they sell you services, right? Often in these little silos. But an accelerator builds you an engine. You're not just buying separate parts like SEO or social media anymore. You're investing in one unified, integrated system that's designed to do one thing and one thing only: create growth.
So what does that actually mean? You know, in the real world, a digital accelerator isn't just someone you hire to do a task. They are a true growth partner. The whole idea is to take all those scattered pieces we saw earlier, the content, the influencers, the tech, and weave them all together into a single cohesive roadmap, one that's built from the ground up to fast-track your results.
All right, so let's pop the hood on this thing. What's actually inside this modern growth toolkit? Let's break down the core parts you need to build this engine for yourself.
The first principle here is a really big one. Listen, it is no longer enough to just be online. That's table stakes. The real goal today is to build trust, because trust is what gets people to act. And in the digital world, one of the absolute fastest ways to build that trust is by tapping into authentic voices people already listen to.
You know, we're all guilty of this. We think bigger is better when it comes to influencers. But the data tells a completely different and way more interesting story. Just look at these engagement rates. The nano and micro influencers, the ones with smaller, super dedicated followings, they're driving way higher engagement. Why? Because their audience genuinely trusts them. And that authenticity, it translates directly into real impact.
Okay, so having the right toolkit is one thing, but using it the right way in a market as incredibly diverse as India, that's a whole other ballgame. And the secret really is to stop thinking nationally and start acting locally.
And this number, this might be the single most important statistic for anyone trying to succeed in India today. By 2025, a massive 75% of internet users there are expected to use their regional languages, not English. Just let that sink in. If your content is English only, you are actively choosing to ignore 3 out of every 4 of your potential customers. It's that simple.
And hey, this isn't just some theory, right? It is a proven strategy. The data shows that content in Hindi gets 45% higher engagement than stuff that's only in English. So talking to your audience in their language isn't just a nice thing to do, it's a seriously powerful growth hack. The big takeaway is that localization isn't some nice-to-have checkbox. It is absolutely 100% essential.
So, what does a real local playbook look like in practice? Well, it's about concrete, practical steps like these. We're talking about optimizing for those near-me searches with local SEO, targeting keywords in languages like Hindi, Tamil, and Telugu, using something like WhatsApp for direct customer conversations, weaving in festivals and cultural moments. And, this is a big one, making sure your site is mobile first and super fast, because that's where almost everyone in India is.
Okay, so we've talked about the mindset, the toolkit, and the local strategy. I know, this can feel like a lot to take in, but actually getting started, it doesn't have to be some huge, complicated thing. It really just boils down to a simple 5-step launch sequence. Seriously, forget trying to do everything all at once. Just start right here. Step 1, define your goals. Be super clear. Are you trying to build brand awareness, or do you need leads and sales right now? Step 2, really understand your audience. Who are they? Where do they live? What language do they speak? Where do they hang out online? 3, and this is key, don't try to be everywhere. Pick 2, maybe 3 channels where your audience actually is, like Instagram for a consumer brand or LinkedIn for B2B, and just focus there. 4, create a content plan. Think about what posts, videos, and messages will actually connect with them. And 5, and this is maybe the most important, set up your analytics. Track everything. See what's working and then just do more of that. That's it. That's how you start.
Look, the digital landscape in India is moving at an absolutely incredible pace. It waits for no one. The opportunity is real, the playbook is clear, and the tools are right there for the taking. So really, the only question left is, what are you going to do about it? What's your first move?